Hello and welcome to week 1 of transformation videos. I'm not weekly vlogging at the moment because there's just too much to do, so I thought I would do a weekly roundup of work that we've done. So front garden is sort of our rubbish tip at the moment. So yeah, we've pulled loads of stuff out. Actually, my parents pulled loads of stuff out. So come in. Hallway, we've not done anything to the hallway. First off, we have discovered the panels underneath the doors. We're going to strip them back and paint them all white, but these panels are so much nicer, so we're going to do those to all the doors. As you can see, we're in the process. So, living room, major transformation already in just a week. Fireplace is open. I'm so excited about that. We're going to cover this in. I'm getting the chimney sweep in. We've done so many layers of polyfiller. We've basically re-plastered all of the walls, and now they're nice and white. They aren't going to stay white, but this is how we're looking at the moment. So onto the kitchen. We haven't done anything in the kitchen, but dining room area. Yesterday, oh goodness me. Yesterday we took out this fireplace and this massive stone slab. Ready? 3, 2, 1, move! Oh! We're going to chop these pipes back, but we have another fireplace and an actual nice chimney breast. Taking out the horrible wallpaper that was on those shelves. Window fitter man came, so we're getting the French windows put in a couple of weeks. So, I mean, that took a lot of chopping out of those bricks. That stone was real heavy. Let's have a look at the garden very quickly. Again, this was all my parents. They did all of this over 2 days. Look at this. All this space. We've got so much, well, I mean, crazy paving is so real, but as you can see, they pulled a lot of stuff out. So we are going to get a skip in, but we're trying to get as much out as we can. Mum's going to come back and pull some more of this paving up today, but it's just been me and Levi this week. Let's go and have a look upstairs very quickly. Let me just pour that coffee on. Okay, let's go. Look, even the pantry door's got paneling. Okay. I also had the joiner came round to look at the staircase. Bedroom! Ooh, I'm so excited about this one. Look at my fireplace. Ooh. I have lovingly restored this fireplace. This has taken me a long time to get it back to this. Paint stripper is no joke. Very echoing. But so we painted it white. Come over here. I did a paint sample. We think we're going to go with this colour. We just need to get the carpet in and the electrics. The electrician is coming in 2 weeks. So we can't really do anything here. It's sort of as done as it can be until the electrician can come in and put the plug sockets in. Then we can get the carpet in, then we can move in. And then what else have we done? We've only really done, well, the boys pulled out all of this stuff. I'm going to keep these and restore them and paint them nicer and have them somewhere, I'm not really sure. Then we got the mattress delivered. Oh, something really exciting. So we pulled out the stuff that was here, this little wardrobe. We're going to open this into the bathroom, so bring this wall flush and get more space in the bathroom. I'm really excited about that, and then we can have the shower along that wall. So yeah, that is sort of, that is everything that we've done. But we have done a lot. That is 7 full days of being here all day. We're actually having a day off tomorrow and we're going to go and ride our bikes because we haven't done that in a week and we've forgotten how to ride our bikes. I'm going to do a weekly roundup of what we've done. I'm filming the room transformation, so you'll be able to actually see how we are doing everything. So that's pretty much it really. So I hope that you've enjoyed the catch up. I'm really excited for everything that's going to happen. See you in next week's vlog. I have got an Instagram for the house, so I keep covering my finger, but I went to hospital and it's all yummy. I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!